Hello everyone. Good day. Today is the day 16 of the Power BI series, and today we'll be focusing on the visualization chart ribbon. In last session, I've demonstrated on the decomposition tree, and for today we'll go into something very valuable, the ribbon chart. Especially important, you want to track your sales performance. Okay, let's do that. Let me move into my desktop screen. Okay, so we'll be going through this page here. And before we start, let me go back to my sales page and say I'm going to select all the periods, all the year. Then I'll get back to my salesperson page here. This is very valuable, especially for companies big and small, because you want to track the sales performance for your sales team. Okay, Uh, i- these are all the salesperson extracted from the salesperson table. Um, and on let me check on this. And on the x-axis, I have also put in the year, the quarter, and the month. So of course I can drill down, uh, which is uh, which is the month, the quarter, and the year. This is all the all-time selection from 2001 to 2014. Okay, I can drill up. I just need the quarter, so I can see the performance of all my sales team for all the countries and the ranking of each sales individuals based on all. And I can also say I just want United States, then it changes. This is only pertaining to United States, and the listing here are all the salespersons from United States. This is cool. Um, and what else? Let me see. Let me click on. Okay, so the x-axis is my sales from the sales order query. So I've defined it as my subtotal, and uh, and the legend is the salesperson. Okay, so I've assigned from the salesperson table, and with the salesperson name here, so it lists all the names. Okay, let me just briefly go back to my model view. Okay, so you can see here salesperson actually goes to this is a s- the relationship from my let me sales order. It goes to the customer to the store, and okay, yeah, one um one customer can have many sales order based on the relationship. Okay, one store can have many customer, one store with many customer here, the relationship, and one salesperson that's can assign to many store. Okay, so this is the relationship. So from here with the salesperson, this is actually a name. So it's the relationship ties to my sales order. And from my sales order, I have the where's the subtotal? Yes, here subtotal. So I compute the subtotal, and the salesperson will generate how much subtotal it generate from through this relationship here. Okay, this is my relationship diagram. Let me go back here, and from that diagram we can just pull out information and to generate this visualization chart. Okay, so let's maybe to make it clearer and simpler, I'll just select United States, and maybe I'll just need the year 2012. Let me get back to my sales page. Okay, and I'll just select year 2012. Okay, then I'll go back to my salesperson page. Okay, this got updated. Okay, so it's 2012, and let's keep it only with quarter, or maybe we will. Okay, let's do it with quarter first. So if we know that in United States, these are all the salesperson in the US, and from here you can see uh, in 2012 quarter one, Carson made the most sales. Uh, Writer the second, Ito the third, and so forth. Okay, so you can see from the tooltip here, you can see that it's let's say for Carson, it's 1.16 million. Um, then it listed out quarter two. It's 1.069. Okay, so the sales change is actually there's a drop. That's why it's stated as negative 7.94%. So it's actually there's a drop of 92,284 dot 34 cents. So the ranking is one, of course. So one. So the overall sales here is 5.28. So the second quarter, although Carson is still maintained at the first position, uh, but the overall sales dropped to 4.90. So if you can see here, it's the same. Although it's ranked number one, but the overall sales for the team actually dropped by this much. Okay, from 5.28 to 4.9. But on the quarter three, Carson dropped to third position. So there's a rank change of 2. So from 1 it drops to 3. So from here the information stated here there's a down arrow with a rank change of 2. That's correct because it dropped to the third place now. You can see here. So it stated 201 the fourth line. So 2012 quarter 3 Carson rank is at third position. Uh, Although it is at third position, but your overall sales has improved. So 5.45 million. And the first position in quarter 3, your sales team is Ito. So Ito generated sales of 1.034. Okay. Uh, if you see there's these two we can select either on the left or on the right. Based on this column bar here. So if you select on the left, so it's actually points to quarter two to quarter three. Okay, this is quarter three to quarter four. Okay, so it tells you actually from quarter two to quarter three, it actually gone up two places. The rank change is a positive two, up arrow key, up arrow uh, two places, so it gone up to first position. So I think this is a very valuable chart, important, critical, because it will able to let you visualize quite instantly your sales performance, and you are able to track quite conveniently and easily at an instance how's your sales team performance. Okay, this is impressive and fantastic. So you can see here, Ito got first positions between the quarter three and quarter four, and Carson quarter one and quarter two in 2012. Okay, but Carson dropped to third position here uh, in quarter three. Then it maintained is it third position? It maintained at third position in quarter four. So these are the performance. Quite instantly you able to notice. I can further drill down if I going to either this one or no. Let me go to this one. Let me uncheck. Okay. So now we have further detail. So every quarter, uh, the system is able to generate a month. So it started in January. It ends in March. Okay, so uh, January the first is, I think this is Ito. Yes. This is Blythe. So, and you can trace the positions. So I think let me check. Eh, this is Blythe. So Blythe, no, this is Carson. Carson at position two in quarter two May, and Blythe in first position in quarter two May. So you are able to track through this tracing of the colors. Okay, this is Ito back again, and Ito also Ito first position in June, July, and this is September, October, and December. Okay, so this is good. We are able to trace. These are the lower performing uh, sales team or salesperson here. You are able to trace here. This is the lowest lower performer ones, and this is the best performing teams here. Okay. Uh, we can also highlight, for example, you want to just to know Carson, you can just click on Carson. So you're able to track Carson's performance here. And let's say you want to know Ito. So Ito performance is here. Okay, ups and downs. Okay, how are we going to display this information here on and this one? Is very simple. Just go to format visuals and data labels. You just turn it on. So you are able to opt it. So this goes on and on. Okay, that's it. And I can do a okay, these are all the teams. Okay, I think we are anything that I missed out. Let me check. Nope, everything is good. So I can select all. So these are all the countries, and I can randomly select just one. Let's say Germany, or there's no in 2012. Uh, because 2012 don't have information. Let's go back to my sales page. So let's say 201. Okay, let's go back. 2013 and 2014. Okay, let me go back to my salesperson page. Yes. So there's some values in 2013 and 2014, and there's only one. How do I pronounce this? Valdez. So these are the performance by this salesperson in Germany. There's only one. So one salesperson ties to the country Germany, and we can select maybe just Australia. So Australia there's also one, and let's say Canada. Canada there's two. So Saravia and Vargas. Okay. So Vargas, should be Vargas. Let me see. Okay, Vargas. So between these two, of course, Saravia has uh, better performance in terms of sales, except for in June, Vargas topped, uh, made a better performance than Saravia. Overall, is 0.57 million in 2013 June. Okay, and of course, we can drill down. Uh, oh no, we can drill up. Sorry. Okay, so year and quarter only. Okay, so these are the tracking results. Okay, so this is very clear and instantly it gives you insights of your sales performance. Okay, this is good. I think we have come to the end of today's session. Let me go back to my camera. Okay, thank you. I hope you like this. I think this is simple and powerful. And if you are into Power BI, and I, I personally I feel that companies should be leveraging on this ribbon chart to make the best full use of it. Hope this is valuable to you. Okay, uh, if you like it, please like and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.